Hello everyone, I am Monica Singh Roha from IELTS 9 channel. So here in this video, I am going to discuss this essay, Cause and Effects IELTS Writing Task 2 essay. This is a full explanation for this kind of essay only. Let's start this essay. Let's read it. What is the question here? Today, many parents force their children to study all kinds of courses in their early age. Just a minute. So the question is, just look at this. Again, we will be reading it because after getting your question paper, you have to read your question statement twice or thrice in order to understand the meaning. So today, many parents force their children to study all kinds of courses in their early age. So from here to here, this is the question statement, and what they are asking to do from the student. What are the reasons behind this? What are the reasons behind this? What effects do you think this practice would bring to the children? So this is what effects and reasons. So causes, reasons here means causes and its effect. So now how to go about this? How to plan? What are the steps for doing this, for attempting this writing task 2 essay? Okay, let's move on to that. Okay, steps. So number one step is read the question statement 3-4 times. As we have already read this question statement 3-4 times, at least 2 times here with you and 2 times before the video I have read it out. Okay. So second is find out the topic, main topic of the essay. Find out what they want to say, what is the main topic of this essay. So let's find it from this question statement. What is the main topic? So today parents force their children to study all kinds of. So what is the main topic? So to study, parents are forcing their children to study all kinds of courses in their early age. So the main important thing is parents force their children to study all kinds of courses, So this is the main topic, and of course parents, children, this is also an important thing to discuss in throughout the essay. Okay, so the third step we have, of course, find out the main topic is done. Third is always find out the type of question. Okay, after reading it, as I discussed with you, that this is what are the reasons and effects, means causes and effects type of essay is this. So third is done. Fourth is, now this is the important thing to do before writing, before starting your essay. So important vocabulary words and its synonyms. These words we should pick from the question statement. Okay, as I told you, like this is the main question here. So what are the important words? Because these are the words we are going to repeat in our essay only. So today also, okay, today many parents we have to look for other synonyms or like similar words. Force, of course, we will find for this. Children also, and all kinds, and study for this also we will be finding the other words, all kinds of courses. Okay, and in early age, yes, in childhood, mean to say. So these are the things, these are the important vocabulary words. We will be picking it from the question statement, and of course two more words are there. Reasons, also an important word, and effects, because all of the time we can't repeat the word reasons, effects for this, what in the effects for this, the effect for this. So we have to use different words, variety of words, to show our lexical resources. So fifth number is we have plan your ideas for BP 1 and 2. Okay, the important thing is here, like you can plan your ideas, you can write down your ideas which you are planning to write in BP 1, body paragraph 1 and 2. Because suppose you have done all these tests, if you left this step for planning in advance, then it is not going to worth it, because you have to find out the topics, you have to find out the points which you are going to discuss in the body paragraphs. Okay, let's follow it, let's find it what is the format for this essay. Okay, the format of an essay, how we are going to write cause and effects essay. First, of course, introduction. In introduction you will be giving paraphrasing plus thesis statement, and second paragraph, I mean to say body paragraph 1, causes, at least 3 causes you should discuss with explanation. Second paragraph, body paragraph 2, effects, you will be giving 3 effects. Okay, conclusion, restate the thesis statement and main idea. Okay, so let's discuss the format of this essay in detail. First, introduction means explain, because this statement is very the question statement is very like small, we can say less words. Okay, so we have to explain the topic more by giving 1 or 2 examples, by explaining more about that topic. So that is thesis. Next one is thesis statement. So this is the introduction part. Okay, in body paragraph, how we are going to write? See, there are 2 types of methods in body paragraph 1. So in body paragraph 1 there are 2 or 3 main reasons. So how we are going to start? There are, if you want to write 3, then 3 main reasons. If you want to write 2, then 2 also. There are 3 main reasons. Of course, I am going to change this word. There are 3 main reasons behind such a development. Okay, first, start your point with first or firstly and explain the first point. Secondly, start like secondly. Okay, explain it. And thirdly, or if you are explaining 3 points, then here you can say finally. Finally, you can write here finally also. Okay, so finally, and explain that statement. So this is regarding the reasons. Of course, I am going to change this word. I am not going to write reasons, I am going to change the word here, like I can write causes also, factors also, important factors which are responsible for this development. So use different words every time. So in body paragraph, what I am going to write it? In body paragraph 2, this tendency means this development has both positives as well as negative effects on children. Okay, if we talk about brighter side, means positive side, and complete the line. On the other hand means now we are going to talk about negative effects. On the other hand, this, and of course in the end you will be writing result as a consequences, as a consequences. Okay, this you can write. So this is the structure of essay, writing task 2 essay for the cause and effect. But there is another method to do with this kind of essay. Like in body paragraph, what you can do, you can like suppose you have 2 points. So first, in body paragraph 1, give 1 reason, okay, or causes and its effect, and its effect in the same paragraph. 1 reason and its effect in body paragraph. Okay, para 1, and in body paragraph 2, second reason and its effect. So this in this style also you can write body paragraph 1, 1 reason and its effect, but it should be you should explain it well with example. And in body paragraph 2, give second reason and its effect regarding this development. Okay, so this is the format of this essay. Let's find out the vocabulary words for this question. So the question again, let's read it. Today many parents force their children to study all kinds of courses in their early age. What are the reasons, effects? So here we are going to find today parents force children study all kinds of courses and early age. Reasons and effects also. Okay, now let's discuss vocabulary from the question statement and some similar words. Today, for today, I can write in this day and age, or currently, or in modern era. You can write. Okay, so in for many parents, what you are going to write? Biological parents, mother or father, or sometimes you can write parents also. Of course, I'm not saying that you are not going to use this word in your essay. Of course, you will be writing, you will be using this word. So third one is force. Parents are forcing their children, parents are oblige their children, drive to, kick in, enforced, involuntary. Children are doing all involuntary involuntary courses because of their parents. Okay, so the next is their children. Their children means parents' children, so their kids, their youngsters. So the next word is all kinds of courses. For program, or you can write British spellings also, PROGRAMMES, programs. Extracurricular activities you can write instead of all kinds of courses. So for early age, younger ages, childhood. Okay, so reasons. For reasons, of course, we can write causes, grounds, basis. The prime factor means the main cause, the main reason. This is also an important vocabulary for this one, reasons, for IELTS reading also. Effects, impacts, consequences. You can write for effects, impacts and consequences. Okay, now let's plan for BP1 and BP2. How I have done it. Like, just look at this. Wow, such a beautiful thing I have just created here. Sorry, this I can't erase it because this I have written it with pen. Okay, that's like in our IELTS exam. The beauty of the IELTS exam is that we can write with pencils there, because with pencils we can erase our errors, and we can just beautify our writings, and we can just write good words. After first you write your essay, first you plan and then write, and the last 5-7 minutes you can keep it for proofreading. Proofreading is very important. So in this proofreading, you can beautify your essay by putting some good words regarding the topic, as well as wherever you have done this, please erase it. This is not allowed in wherever you think that your writing is not legible, just erase that word and just write it properly. So the main thing, body para 1 and 2. What are the things we are going to write? Just keywords we will be writing. So the first main 2 reasons in BP1 I am going to write reasons, in BP2 I am going to write effects. So first one is highly competitive. Why parents are forcing their children to do all kinds of courses? Because they want their children to be highly competitive and capable of multiple skills like dancing, cooking, coding, communication, and etc. Okay, the second point I am going to write about by jealousy, and want their kids number 1 in race. By when any child comes first, or comes first in his in their class, in any class, or the parents want that their child should be like that only. By jealousy, they force their children to do every kind, come first in class, to do this course also, to do this dancing also, please learn cooking also. They don't ask their children to do what they want to do actually. So effects, what are the effects? So effects, the number 1 important is, according to my point of view, you can take out your important points. So second, number one is lose their childhood's innocence. They lose their childhood, like childhood here, you understand na? The early age, and their innocence, behavior and all, they will lose. They will forget everything, how to behave in childhood, how to like we used to play so much during our childhood age. So we were so innocent. Nowadays kids are so smart, they know everything before their age. So first one is lose their childhood. Second one is better understanding of world's competition. So second effect, it will become, they will understand better of the about the world's competition, what is world and all, at an early age. So third one is, I will be writing for the effects also. So third one is enables. It enables, what enables? The learning of different things. It enables them to face any situation in life, like any situation, like in case if a person is not getting job, he can start their dance academy, or he can start their own tuition center, or he can start their cook house and all. So that's why parents want that our child should not face any type of difficulty in the future. Okay, so they want to assure that he should know everything. Okay, now I have discussed everything with you, like format of an essay, vocabulary, as well as how to plan for BP1 and BP2. Now it's turn to show how I have done it. You can write in your own style. I have just given you an idea. You can just send me your essay, I will correct it definitely. So my essay is introduction part. First is today's era of high competition. See, just keep in mind, please, I'm just telling you, I have already told you in many essays in another videos, that this is not allowed in your IELTS test. Because you are writing with pencil, please erase it. This is not, cutting and overwriting is not at all allowed. Okay, today's era of high competition has made life rather difficult for kids. Parents are pushing their young ones not only to study more, but also to attend and excel in extracurricular activities, as well as to make their resumes attractive in future. See, from here to here, I have paraphrased the question statement by extending the statement. See, the question statement was, let me show you again. So question statement is, today many parents force their children to study all kinds of courses in their early age. So how I have done it? See, from here to here I have done like this, today's era. So I have to change my today's. Okay, so now I have written over here. So while doing proofreading, you can change your words if you find it that it is not suitable. It is the repetition of words. Yes, of course I have repeated the word, so that is not a good thing. So you please change it. Today's era of highly competition era, you can say, has made life rather difficult for kids. Parents are pushing their children instead of using force. Here I have written here, pushing their young ones not only to study more, but also to attend and excel in extracurricular activities. So I have written over here all kinds of courses, instead of I have written extracurricular activities, as well as to make their resumes attractive in future. So in future also he has explained, I have explained over here, that if for future thing, it is a good thing for the parents' children. Okay, so the next is, this trend will definitely make young generation more intelligent, but at the expense of their childhood. So this I'm just explaining that this trend means this development will definitely make young one generation more intelligent, but at the expense of their childhood. So this essay, this is the thesis statement. This essay would shed light on the causes and its consequences. So I have changed the word reasons with causes and effects with its consequences. I have changed it. I have not repeated the words. Okay, so how to write BP1? Let's look at the BP1. I have done it in simple words. In BP1 I will be discussing only causes, and in BP2 discussing effects or consequences. So BP1 is to initiate with the significant basis of this. I have cut it down. So students, please don't do this in your exam while you are doing it for practice. Don't do it. Okay, to initiate with the significant basis of this development. First, most important, most people want their children to be highly competitive and capable of multiple skills like dancing, singing, cooking, coding, decoding, and better communication skills. Now I am explaining you why this point is important. This is because when they grow up, they will not face any problems in getting a good job. Okay. Secondly, out of jealousy and comparison, most parents observe what other children are doing. Now, just to keep their children ahead in the race, parents oblige them to learn new and different various skills. So first I have explained, secondly also I have explained, second point with explanation, first point with explanation, second point with explanation. So let's move to BP2 effects. Okay, BP2 effects means I am going to write effects means consequences. Okay, the second part of the question. So this tendency has, see, I have written the word this trend. Now here I have written the word tendency. This tendency has both positive as well as negative impact on children. Impacts. If we talk about the positive side, so I have repeated the words. I should change the word here. Okay. So if we talk about the positive consequences, if we talk about the darker side, brighter side of this trend, children do learn different skills and become well adapted to life. Apart from that, they evolve a better understanding of the world and challenges ahead. Okay, so of course, apart from that, in fact I should use I can use the another statement like here, that they evolve just because of this. Yes, just because of this they evolve a better understanding of the world and the challenges ahead. Consequently, this attitude enables them to face any hardship situation in their life. On the other hand, kids lose their innocence, childhood activities while learning these type of curriculum. Okay, they are saying that children can lose their innocence, their childhood activities because of time taken in learning these types of extracurriculum activities. So they do not get an opportunity to pursue. So like this is the point and this is the result for this point. This is an explanation for this point. They do not get an opportunity to pursue that what they like to do. This inhibits their mental growth. This is also an consequence. Mental growth, as well as can develop negative thinking about life and parents. Okay, see I am reading it. After writing it, I haven't done my proofreading. So this is my proofreading according to my, see, when I am reading it, I am finding my own mistakes. So this is the how important is proofreading for you guys. Please try to understand, proofreading is very important. Always take out time for your proofreading. So okay, so in conclusion, according to my opinion, so now it's turn to conclusion. In conclusion, according to my opinion, parents should motivate their children to learn new skills to make them better individuals, However, if it comes at the cost of their childhood I do not go with it. Means I do not prefer to force my children with that. Okay, I do not go with this thinking. Why children must be given enough. Here I am repeating the word children again. So here youngsters, we can write here youngsters must be given enough time to grow and blossom with freedom and calmness. See, so how beautifully we have done this essay, and how we have come to know that we have done this kind of mistake. So if it is written with if it would have been written with my pencil, then I could have corrected it. Oh, okay, so it is important to write with pencil. So that's why, but no, I have here written with pen because I have to make my videos. So please try to understand that this is important part. Proofreading is important. So thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you.